One of my favourite bags from Chloe, the Woody tote bag. But which size is best, the medium or the small? Coming up is a side-by-side comparison, measurements, price, what fits inside, outfit styling and more. Make sure you get the perfect size Chloe Woody tote bag for you, and make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm going to be revealing my favourite size and why. Hey everyone, my name is Steph. If you are new to this channel and love designer bags and luxury in general, you are in the right place because we get it. Make sure you join us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell down below. If you are in the market for a new designer tote bag, I cannot recommend the Chloe Woody tote bag enough. I have talked about this bag quite a lot on my channel and there are a fair few things that I really love about this bag. The main one being that they come in so many different colours and you now got a wide range of sizes where you can choose from the large, medium or the small size, which is the one that I have here, and these now come with a crossbody strap. But the thing that I really like about these bags is they look quite summery. Again, they come in lots of different fabrics and colourways, which I really like, so you can pick one that really suits your style, and they are really lightweight and a lot more budget friendly than some other brands. I will pop a link down below in the description box for you if you want to go and shop the Chloe Woody bag. But first let's take a closer look at both of these bags. So this is the small size. I have the one here with the black leather trim. This is really beautiful. Again, super lightweight, and this one actually comes with a crossbody strap. I will go through prices in a second, but just be wary, there are two versions of the small bag. Some of them do not have the crossbody strap, but if you're wanting the one with the crossbody strap, they are slightly more expensive. Again, I'll go through in a second, but just worth noting that because sometimes it can be a bit misleading because they look exactly the same. So this one has a shoulder strap like that, or you can take that off and you can use the top handle. But you've got the Chloe logo running down the handles there, and you also have the leather detail on the top. Then here, in the same kind of colourway, but this one has the tan colour leather, this is the medium size tote bag. You will see there is a huge difference in terms of the strap. So this one here has a huge strap length. This is so that it fits nicely on your shoulder. This bag won't go on your shoulder, so you either have to carry it or you have to use the, if you get the one with the strap, you can use it like that. Sides of the bag, exactly the same, and then the bottom of the bags. On both of these bags, the bottoms are the same. There are no studs or anything like that. Because these are fabric, you could get them spot dry cleaned. So let's just take a quick look inside here. I've got the stuffing inside of this one. I'll show you what fits inside in a second. You have a pocket here at the back, but other than that, it's just one big tote bag. And the same with the small bag here. This one is just one large compartment, and then you have your pocket at the back there. So this is the small and the medium side by side for you, just to kind of gauge how big they both are. Quite a big size difference, I would say. Prices of the Chloe Woody tote then. These are subject to change. They are correct at this time of filming, but as we know, luxury brands like to put their prices up a lot. I haven't seen the Woody tote actually increase over the last year, which is a good thing. However, they have brought the Woody tote bag out in different fabrics such as shearling, which I really love the shearling version. And these are generally more expensive than your basic canvas ones. But for this video, I'm just gonna go through the canvas ones because they change all the time. But these are like the staple range. The small size then is £590 here in the UK, $790 in the US. That is with no strap. If you get the one with the strap, £690 or $950. Personally, I would always get the one. I would spend that extra bit of money and get the one with the strap. I think it's absolutely worth it, especially because with the small one, you can't use it as a shoulder bag unless you have the longer strap. You can use it as a crossbody bag. If you only get the small one without that, you can only use the top handle. So for me, it's absolutely worth that extra bit of money to get one with a strap. The medium size is £690, $950 in the US, and the large size, $790 £190 at $1,050 in the US. Again, I'll pop a link down below if you want to go and shop the Chloe Woody tote. Now let's go through measurements, and then I'm going to show you what fits inside and style both of these bags with some different outfits to see what they look like on. So starting with the small size then. The width of the bag is 26.5 centimeters. The height is 20 centimeters and the depth is 8 centimeters. The handle drop is 11 centimeters and the strap drop is 52 centimeters. Now for the medium size, the width is 37 centimeters, the height is 26 centimeters and the depth is 8 centimeters. The handle drop is 22 centimeters and it fits really nicely just like that on your shoulder. It doesn't come too high, it's not right under your elbow, and because it's a squishy bag, it's very comfortable. Now let's take a look at what fits inside. Let's start by seeing what fits inside the small size here. So one big compartment and another compartment at the back of the bag. The iPhone, this is the normal size iPhone, not the Plus. It will fit in the pocket, but it won't fit sideways. You have to put it in the main compartment of the bag. I've got a full-sized purse here. This doesn't fit in most of my bags, but it actually fits in this bag. A set of car keys and house keys there. You could put it in the back pocket there. A book. This is a smaller size book, but it will fit. Some sunglasses, it's Louis Vuitton in a soft case. And we are kind of reaching max capacity, but just to show you, I've taken a few things out. I have an iPad Pro and it will just fit inside of this bag sideways. It takes up a lot of room though, because it kind of fits into the corners of the bag. Worth bearing in mind. If you would like to carry something more like a laptop or iPad and you've got bulkier items, the size difference here is huge. This is the medium. So just to show you, the iPad that only just fit in the small size, look at how much room we have left there in this bag. Full size purse, absolutely no problem, still loads of room. This is an iPhone, but this is the plus size iPhone. It will fit in the back pocket, which I really like. It's a shame the phone wouldn't fit in the smaller. Here we go with a book. A diary would fit in here as well. Full set of keys. And there's still plenty of room. Like you could get a water bottle in the corner there, no problem. Some sunglasses and also a diary. So this is definitely the one to go for if you've got some bigger, bulkier items. Now that we know what fits inside the small and medium Chloe Woody tote bags, I'm going to style them with numerous different outfits to give you some inspiration on what they look like on and how you... If you have been debating which size to get of the Chloe Woody tote bag, I really hope this video has helped. I originally loved the medium size and I also really love the small size, but the extra strap on the small has been a complete game changer. So I promised at the start of this video that I would reveal my favourite size of bag. I would go for, if I were looking for a work bag and I needed to carry a laptop with me, it would definitely make sense to go for the medium size. This is a great bag and I just like that it's so lightweight compared to a lot of other designer bags that I do have. You can just whack it on your shoulder and go. However, for me, because I generally don't need to carry a laptop around with me all the time now, I would definitely go for the small size. This is big enough for your everyday essentials and more than. Like, I can get my purse in here, my keys in here, my phone, absolute no problem, and a bottle of water if I wanted to, a book potentially as well. So for me, the small size is more than big enough, but this strap has done it for me. I think originally, like, this small size, it was a cute bag, but who wants to carry a bag around like all the time with the top handles? Just having this detachable strap makes it just so much more versatile. I can crossbody this, wear it all day. I wore it to London recently, wore it all day, super lightweight bag, absolutely loved wearing it. You can access everything that you want to as well. My favorite size is hands down the small size with the strap. Let me know which size is your favorite in the comments down below. I always love to hear from you. And if you aren't following me already over on Instagram, make sure you do. My handle is at handbag_holic. I'm going to be styling both of my Chloe Woody bags with numerous different outfits for even more inspiration. Make sure you don't go anywhere, because coming up next, I will link my latest video release here for you, and over here, I'm going to be taking you through my entire designer bag collection of 30 bags, revealing my 3 best and 3 worst. Enjoy.